This is a short video to show you how you can tell the charge status of your remote control by the battery indicator light. The green light is showing that your remote control is fully charged. It's going to take a few seconds, but then it's going to go into a rapid flashing of the blue light, and that indicates that it's in sensing mode, and it's determining whether it is fully charged or if it needs additional charging. When you first start, you're going to get a red LED on the wireless charger LED here. The remote control can go either this way or this way. Placing it on this way puts it a little closer and makes it faster charging. You're going to see after a few seconds the blue light starts flashing. That indicates that the remote control is charging. And when you turn on the remote control, if your remote is fully charged between 80 to 100%, where the battery indicator is you're going to see a green light. As it starts to lose its charge, it's going to go between 10% and 80%. You're going to get this whitish colored light as the battery indicator light. Once you start getting down to about 10% of a charge, your battery indicator light is going to go red, and once it gets really low, it'll start vibrating on you, let you know that once that is red, that battery must be recharged before you use the Yacht Controller system. This is our optional cradle mount charger. Slide the remote control in, it locks in place, and it starts charging the remote control.